Hi guys, it's Destiny. Here's my assistive tech screencast. I did the magazine covers. I did the two of them. The first one is all about my student and what he likes and all that kind of stuff, and I'll go through that in a second. And this side is about the tech that he uses, so I'll go over that after. So my student's name was Joseph, so I said meet Joseph and his assistive tech. Joseph is 17 years old and he's in 11th grade. He has dyslexia and dysgraphia, and during the video in the intro, he talks about like things that he's interested in. So he talks about computers, electronics, and robotics, and he's actually in like a club at his school where they actually made a robot and it like shoots frisbees through their like a I guess a goal. And yeah, so he really enjoys stuff like that. So pretty much everything over here explains who Joseph is and why he uses assistive tech. And then here's my name right here. So I'm the editor. On this side, he explains what he uses. So he uses two apps. The first one is Read to Go. Um, you just download the app on your phone and you go on the Bookshare website. That's the website that you can download the books on. So he uses this for not only like textbooks, but he also uses it for recreational use. And he says that they have like a really huge library for him to choose from. That's why he says he likes Read to Go a lot better than the other app that I'm going to explain to you. So I drew a book, and on this one, he explains how it has a robotic voice, but it has a better library, so that's why he enjoys this one better. For both of the apps, I wrote down that he must qualify, or like anybody who wants to use these must qualify for them. So um, that's how you start using them. And then yeah, I just wrote down like all the books need to be downloaded from Bookshare. Um, And then the next one is called Learning Ally, and how you get those books, you go to learningally.org, and I'm assuming that's how you qualify for that as well, or you at least sign in or like register to qualify for it. The good thing about this one, he said, is that there's a human narrator, so they have somebody actually reading the whole book to you instead of like the robotic voice like Read to Go. And I know I drew the headphones and like phone on this side, but he uses his iPod for both of the apps, which is really simple. So he has usually has the textbook or the book in front of him, and he will follow with the text on the in the actual textbook while he listens to it on audio. So if he like gets lost or anything, he can find it back on the page super easy. Um, and he said that this one has all the textbooks usually that he needs for school, which is nice. So all he needs to do is download the text and listen to it on his phone. So this really helps him stay on track in school. He can use it for not only school, but recreational use. And yeah, that's pretty much it.